Okay. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I think, Claudio, that some of the guests, or many of the guests, would like to bike this bike, this wonderful bike, than to sit there in the audience. It's very fantastic. It's very emotional to buy. And let me say, Ducati and Audi is now together since 1 year. And I can say it was a very successful year. It's a very emotional brand with emotional products, emotional bikes. And the last year, you launched a lot of new bikes. There was the Multistrada, the 1200 cubic engine, then the Hypermotar, the Hyperstrada, and last but not least, Panigale R, and now a new bike. So you will tell a little bit later. Ladies and gentlemen, I think Ducati is a fantastic brand, has a lot of competencies, and I think Audi also can share some of the competencies, and Ducati can share Audi competencies. For example, the multi-mix material competency, or for example, electronics. Last but not least, also the light. Light also is very important for the biker, and also driving assistance systems will be, for the future of the bike, very important. My personal experience with Ducati is not so long. I'm happy that I can bike all the bikes now. I use my vacancies to do that. And I made a trip to Bologna with a Multistrada, and you presented the factory to me. I was very fascinated. It's a very competent team, very emotional, and they're standing for the core competence of the brand. That was fantastic. And I also visited the brand at a race, a MotoGP race in Silverstone last weekend. Also a very good team, but there we have some tasks, some homework to do to become really a winning team. But now, Claudio, you can tell something about the new bike, and also maybe about some success in motorsport.
Ulrich, thank you very much, and really a big honor for me for being here after 22 years of working for the company, now being CEO. And after 12 months of working together with Audi, it's really, I can say that we really share a lot of value together. So all the people also in Bologna and Borgo Panigale are very happy about this marriage. And but tonight we are here to have the world premiere of a new bike, which is the 899 Panigale that we see here in 2 different colors. This bike is a kind of a mid-range superbike that share the kind of the possibility of running as an everyday sports bike with good ergonomics and very good drivability. And on the other hand, it share the winning design of our flagship bike, which is the 1199 Panigale, that, by the way, we just, as Ulrich was saying, achieved a very good success in the last race we had last Sunday in Sachsenring, where we actually won both races with the sister of the big sister of this bike.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Ulrich. The heart of this motorcycle is the engine, which actually is an 899 Super Quattro, that is its name. It's an engine that delivers 148 horsepower. And the overall weight of the bike is just 169 kilos dry, taking into account that the weight reduction and the low weight is the main pillar of Ducati philosophy. And so even on this, we share with Audi a very strong common value. With this bike, we really think that we can get in the family a lot of new friends, and our friend we call Ducatisti. So we wait for a lot of new Ducatisti to join the brand. Grazie mille.
Ducatisti.